Meet the helmeted hornbill, known for its solid, ivory-like casque. Unlike the giant hornbill, which has a hollow casque and a more peaceful demeanor, the helmeted hornbill uses its casque in dramatic aerial jousts to establish dominance. When it comes to nesting, the female helmeted hornbill seals herself inside a tree cavity using mud and droppings, leaving only a small slit. This behavior, unique among hornbills, protects her and her chicks from predators. The male tirelessly brings food, ensuring their safety and survival.